Well, that's ridiculous. That dude spun out by hitting my car. I went underneath him and they gave me a black flag. That's crazy.
Bro, come on. You obviously saw him. Why did you slam into me like that? I hadn't even grabbed fourth gear and I fucking spun out.
Attaboy, 3 car.
Yeah, I honestly do not know why I got so loose into one.
I did the same thing and I wasn't far behind you. And we're going so fucking slow.
That's all my fault, guys.
I got a 4X with no damage.
Same.
The 4. Checking the 4, checking the 4.
Come on, John, let's go catch him, man.
Want to race, Lopez? You want to race?
Come on, 22. You're supposed to be in front of me. I'm 23. That's how it works. 21, 22, 23. Let's go.
22 did start from pit lane.
Come on, Jason Lopez. I'll race you, bro. I'll race you, number 3.
Hey, again, that's all my fault, guys. I am so sorry. I was not
Fucking 3.
that loose. I was not expecting you to be at that oh my god.
It's all right, Jason. It happens to us all, man.
It's okay, Lopez. Don't beat yourself up over it.
Just learn from it and do better next time, bro. That's how we do it.
Yeah.
From your setting 2, you can set up 6 races to an extent. You might find something you like better.
Oh, dude, 19. What the fuck? Either his steering wheel just died or he's asleep at the wheel.
He might have got abducted by aliens.
He was asleep. I got 1 to green on my screen, but it still says single file.
Yep, it's weird.
Yeah, I've had this happen once or twice running this series. And then it'll go back to double file if we have another caution.
You might go green.
Go back to 3. Go. Ready?
Yeah, can we get up to 17?
You don't get yourself killed, bro.
Stop complaining.
Alright, I'll cover that.
So how's that car wear at this track?
Love how I set P quick time.
Is this track in real life got blue fucking walls?
Don't know how I made it through that. You got a 4X.
What the hell are you doing, guys? It's lap 6 and we're racing like this? Come on.
I'm waiting for the day they make the pace car fucking solid, so it smashes people when they're zigzagging.
Come on, kid. I'm a move too.
And here we are, halfway through turn 3 and 4, and there's a giant skid mark all the way on the outside.
I'm not trying to put fault on anybody. I'm not mad at anything, but whoever the hell rear-ended me, you should have been able to identify something was going wrong. I had to let off because somebody was wrecking in front of me. They had it recovered. I almost recovered, but then got hit in the back.
Gotta love iRacing physics, man.
If you're slow, stay on the inside line.
Please.
Hey, 9, we can come up to the front.
What's up, bud?
I said me and you are coming up to the front.
Yeah, we'll make it there. We'll make it there.
Yeah, I just went from dead last to 7th in 1 lap.
Hey, I might just stay behind this number 11 car. It's not a bad view from back here.
Yeah, Sam, I hear you. I'll follow right behind you, buddy.
I'll try to make it straight for you.
Yeehaw!
Still single file.
Yeah, I just got told by a buddy in Discord that someone said they implemented something where if there's a wreck within the first 5 laps of a caution or the start, that it forces it. Not sure if it's true or not, but
Well, this is the second one in a row, so, and we're only at lap 9.
That's the same as Speedway, except in reverse. They only do it when there's like fucking 10 laps to go.
When you say Speedway, ain't very many people know what you're talking about when you say Speedway. We ain't got that in the States. At least not named like that.
Did you just say we don't have anything in the States named Speedway?
Not the Australian version. Or at least not the name.
This is the Homestead Miami Speedway, bro. Like, literally, it says fuck the Speedway on the goddamn wall.
No, the racing type is called Speedway.
Yeah, I know. I know. I'm just giving him shit.
You're allowed to jump like that, 20?
That is gonna get like flag.
I was like, damn. P59, come on.
Thank you, for appreciate that.
Yeah, I got caught up in that shit. I was right behind you guys, man. What the fuck he's doing? And another one turned fucking 2.
Shit, y'all are terrible. What the fuck, dude, guys? Oh my.
We're gonna be here till tomorrow morning about 9 a.m. Y'all, come on.
I think you guys can park your trucks and go to fucking bed, please. For the love of God.
That was my fault. I got loose on the bottom. Couldn't take it down there.
Well, miraculously, me and Tim are still in it. I mean, I think that's how you say his name. It might be Time, but I doubt that.
If this keeps up, at least I'll get a nice safety rating bump because we won't have time to get any incident points.
For some of us, mate.
Yeah, that sounds like a challenge to me.
Fucking piece of damage on my truck. I don't know how the fuck that happened.
Hey, what on earth are you doing?
Yeah, Tim, you look like you're trying to commit suicide hitting that damn wall.
I'm going with the theory that the last 10 laps on these trucks are going to be loose as fuck.
I don't know if we average a yellow every 5 laps. We should have pretty good tires by the end of the race.
Man, I'm only on my second fucking lap. I've had 2 black flags almost in a row.
Bro.
To the pits?
Speeding in the pit, and then I forgot where the fucking start-finish line was, and I passed at 20.
Fucking rough.
Nah, I'm just real fucking high. I forget.
First Ram truck.
Reese, do you watch any 410s at Perth?
Nah, because she's like 2,500 miles away from me.
Damn, so you on the other side, huh? Shit.
Yeah, I'm just on the edge of Victoria in South Australia. I'm going to drive 12, 13 hours to get through my state, get to WA, and then there'd be another 15 to 20 hours.
At least you're in Australia.
Yeah, just had a fucking cold day today. It was like, I gotta do the math, about 75 degrees.
Yeah, that's a cold day, is it?
What was it in Celsius? We can do the conversion.
We're just coming out of summer, so yeah, it's gonna go up by Saturday. It's gonna be up around the 90s to 100s. We had a couple at 130 and 140 this year. Parker was an absolute struggle.
My bad, Aaron.
I'm gonna just follow you.
One way down, one way.
23, are you fucking serious?
Go watch replay, man. You came down into me.
Came down, you pushed me, dumbass.
Yeah, because you came down into my lane. You came down. I held my line, bro.
It doesn't fucking matter, you still wrecked me.
Yep, and I got 4x for it too, buddy.
Okay, you don't seem too bothered by it, so.
Well, yeah, it's a simulator, you know. I mean, we're just here having fun, right? If I wreck you, I'm sorry.
Oh, well, yeah, 14 times now. Thank you, buddy, thank you. Just fucking thank
We've all been there, baby. I've been doing this 6 years, man. Come on.
you. Yeah, I know, man, but shit, it sucks. All I was trying to do was come out of the corner cleanly, and I already have a damaged race car there. I'm just gonna get out of your damn way.
I'm already damaged too, man. It does suck, and if I could give you a hit of my fucking weed, I would.
Yeah, man, I need that right now, but I do apologize for the way I responded, but shit, it sucks.
It's all good. If we ever meet, I got an atomizer and medical grade live rosin, 98% potency, bro. It'll mess you up.
Holy fuck, man, you said atomizer, I already know what you meant. Damn, that's like some professional level shit. All I got is old school for the quartz banger and torch.
Dr. Davin's really good, but it's not the only one out there that's worth the money, man. You get one a lot less, and they work amazing. No more bullshit smells in your house, and you don't get all of that smoke.
Honestly, man, I do when I invest in some better equipment.
Hey, Tim, my car's pushing really bad in the one, so if I get into you a little bit, sorry.
Aaron, I appreciate the interaction, man. I wish 4 and Iracing went like that, bro.
Nah, dude, honestly, I feel like this for fun, you know. I more or less, I do lash out in the moment on things. But when you said you've been here 6 years, it really made me think of my damn. It really isn't that deep. Because it is a sim at the end of the day, but it sucks because I'm on the brink of losing my B license, and I already lost A-class because of just dumb shit. Not even my own shit. I mean, nothing. Of course, what you did, you were running your line. You didn't mean to wreck me.
You're telling my story too, brother. Shit, I'm sure there's a lot of people on here that can relate to that story. I lost my A and I'm still trying to fight back. But shit, ugh. It's it can get frustrating at times, and you do lash out. I do the same thing, and I apologize too.
Dude, honestly, I'm just like,
I just got to drive around and be laughed and be bullshit.
Yeah, Reese, that's for sure, bro.
What a fucking love story.
but I was tearing up.
So one time at band camp?
Oh, shit, man.
I knew this girl with a flute.
Oh, hell.
Didn't be just scary, Robert. That scared me.
Yeah, you scared the shit out of me.
No. I'm on sneaking pit stop, go change my drawers, man. Holy shit.
I do miss the lap time being in the black box.
The best black box is relative. It gives you everything you need, man. It's lap, time left, and everything else is just noise.
My bad, 12.
Jason, you're going backwards after saying you're going to win the race, mate. What happened to you?
Yeah, so I got under caution and hit the wall, gave me wheel damage. And the fellas trying to take me out. He's black box, by the way.
I thought that more like because you're driving super aggressive in the first 4 laps to make up to any spots.
Yeah, good luck on your vacation, 12. Caution!
Oh.
Holy shit, Robert. You okay, bud?
Well, that was unfair. Where you at?
That was weird, man. I saw you losing it, and I went around you, but we hadn't crossed the line yet, so you took the place back.
I yet beached up fucking started yelling in my ear.
All that Wheeling Jennings you've been listening to.
Step went down to Georgia, and he was looking for a soul to steal.
You might get a black flag for that.
Yeah, I think you have to enter back at turn 3.
We'll see if he gives me a black flag or not.
I don't mind waiting on a woman.
You only have to enter early at Atlanta, I think, by the way.
I don't know, it's got the yellow line there, so I just fucking did it anyway.
Yeah, I wasn't sure whenever you did it. It kind of made me second guess, but I usually pit
Good.
over there. As long as you're down before the yellow line, it should, or the yellow line right before the pit, it should be good. Now it's double.
2 wide, boys. Let's go.
Now it's double to make it fun.
No black flag for you boys at the front.
Nah.
Well, that fucking sucks. Well, I know someone's going to punt me. Whoa, Tony, you just started blinking.
What are you doing? I saw that. You got
I don't know how I did that, but I did. My pants might be brown, but we're here.
banana.
Coming 9, I was understeering like a bitch.
I was wondering why you didn't take it. I gave it to you.
I just wonder why I just lost.
Oh, Trevor.
I tried holding it, and I saved it.
Yeah, I was having so much fun. Hey.
I got a little loose there, and I was trying to hold it, and I phased it. I'm like, good racing, y'all. Minus all the cautions, but that was fun. Good way to test out the new Ram, though. I like it.